Mastering JavaScript and VS Code 5 Essential Extensions for Devs. The following are the top 5 code extensions for JavaScript developers to help you do your job faster. 1. JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets. This VS Code extension adds a whole bunch of JavaScript code snippets that are easily accessible using shortcuts. 2. ESLint. ESLint is a linter that statically analyzes your code to find problems based on a set of pre-configured rules. 3. .env. The .env versus code extension adds syntax highlight to environment variables. It allows you to read the environment variables a lot quicker compared to a file with only gray text. 4. JavaScript Booster. JavaScript Booster is an extension that adds various quick fixes when you're editing code in JavaScript. Enabling this extension adds 33 quick fixes for the most common issues like fixing declarations. 5. Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. Tailwind is a popular framework amongst CSS developers, and having this extension enabled improves your experiences by adding great features such as autocomplete, syntax highlighting, and linting. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.